Hey, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Yes, deals that you can do now. Y'all went to Dollar General and I'm doing a deals you can do now. I think I haven't done it in a week, I believe. A week or two. I can't remember, but it's been, I think, about a week or two. But anywho, I'm bringing you a deal that you can do now. Now, y'all, I messed up on this deal. When you out of sync from doing couponing for about a week, 2 weeks, a month, even a year or two, y'all, the little time or the big time that you are away from couponing, you don't have your stuff together. You're forgetting. You're like, oh my God, what am I supposed to do? Let me know in the comments if anyone has been through this, because I have been through this for a couple of weeks. Because y'all know, like I told y'all, that I have my grandbaby in the afternoon. So sometimes I cannot do a deals that you can do now. And then sometimes I can't do a 5 off of 25 because I have her. But y'all, it's amazing. They say when you don't use it, you lose it. That is so true, y'all. And I haven't been gone that long, but when I do be gone for like a week or maybe 2 weeks, I'm out of sync on things. But it's all good though. It's all good because sometimes it comes back. Sometimes it takes it a while. But we're going to get it together, right? Yes. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this video. And I'm going to show y'all one thing that I did forget to do because I thought I did pick it up, but I didn't. But it's all good. I can use it for next time, okay? So the first thing that I got is the Hefty Ultra Strong Clean Burst trash bags. And these are 25 count. So y'all, I'm going to be picking up these because I need some trash bags. So these are $5.95. There is $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. The next thing is the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion. It is the 6.8 ounce. This Eucerin lotion is $5.75. I had a $3 off of one. Now, some people got a $3 off of two. Some people got a $2 off. And then some people just got the $3 off. Now, on this number, which is my husband's number, I got the $3 off of one Eucerin. Okay? So it was $5.75 with a $3 off digital coupon. The next thing is this Scope Trial Size mouthwash. Now, there is a digital coupon that is $1 off of any Crest mouthwash, and it is attaching to this $1, making it totally free. Yes, totally free. So, yeah. The next thing is these Crest Complete Scope toothpaste. And it has to have the over 2x more free. Then there's another one also that is attaching. And then there is another, there's like 2 digital coupons out there. There is a $1 off of one. Then there is a $3 off of 2. Okay. So I made a mistake. And I think I did it on all my numbers. I'm not for sure. And I clipped the $1 off of one and the $3 off of 2. So you know when you do that, the lowest coupon is going to come off first. But I knew that when I was in the store, but I thought I picked up 3 Scope instead of 2. I thought I picked up 3. So my $1 digital came off because I was wondering why my subtotal was not, no, my whole total actually was off when I went into the store. So these are $1 a piece. They're actually, you can either find them in the dollar aisle or you can find them where the toothpaste is. Now, mine in this store I went to is where the toothpaste was. So like I said, I thought I picked up 3, but I only picked up 2. So the $1 came off of 1. Okay, so they're $1 a piece, but only $1 came off, which was fine with me. So the subtotal was $8.20. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. So there's the Hefty, there is the Crest, there's the Eucerin, and then there's the Crest toothpaste, and then there's the Crest mouthwash. Then there's the subtotal, $8.20. And look at the total savings, $6.50. And I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So yeah, this right here is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Londa's Child.